How to fix Facebook Watch video icon tab missing problem. Let's get started. An outdated version of Facebook can cause features like the Watch tab to disappear. So, head towards your App Store, search for the app Facebook. After app appears, you'll see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, the Watch tab might reappear. Next up, restart the Facebook app. Restarting the Facebook app can fix minor glitches. Close the app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps, then reopen it and see if the Watch tab appears. Logging out, then logging back into a Facebook account can refresh your settings and bring back missing features. So, head towards the menu page, scroll down, click on the option of Logout, click on Logout. Once you log out of your account, again log in back. With that, your problem might be resolved. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause certain features not to load properly. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. You can head towards the Wi-Fi option, click on the network you are connected to. Forgo this network, give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Likewise, you can switch between networks. If you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi, and in the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. Facebook allows you to customize your shortcut bar, which might cause the Watch tab to disappear. So head towards your menu page, click on the settings icon. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in tab bar. After that options appear, click on it. Now click on customize the bar. Now from here, find the option of video, and at the right corner of it, you'll find the drop down, set it to pin. With that, Watch video tab will reappear. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is delete the Facebook app and reinstall it. And that's how you fix the missing Facebook Watch video icon tab. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.